Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever had an amazing idea for a kid's story? Maybe about a magical adventure or a talking animal, but thought, I can't write or draw? I totally get it. But what if I told you there's a way to create your own personalized kids' book in just minutes without writing or drawing anything? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. With ReadKidz, a game-changer AI tool that lets you turn your ideas into real, beautiful storybooks. And you can even sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Etsy, and more. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to create something unique, step by step. Now, if you're thinking, how do I even get started? Don't stress, it's super easy. Just click the link in the description below and boom, you'll be taken straight to the ReadKidz official website. From there, sign up with your Google account. And in just a few steps, you'll be ready to start creating something amazing. All right, I hope you're all signed up and ready to go. Now head over to the AI picture book section and click on AI generation. A pop-up will appear giving you two options, single book or series of books. Let's keep it simple for now. Go ahead and choose a single book. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see 4 simple steps to create your storybook from scratch. First up, the create story step. Just type in your story idea, and that's the foundation of your whole book. Now that you've got your story idea down, let's make it even better. You can add a few personal touches to really make it yours. Pick the age group for your audience so the AI can adjust the story to suit them. Then choose the tone you want, whether it's adventurous, modern, heartwarming, or something else. You can also choose the aspect ratio for your images, whether it's square, 16 by 9, or whatever works best for you. Once you're happy with everything, just hit generate and watch as the AI transforms your input into a fully customized, unique story. You've got the basics down. Feel free to get creative and tweak your story however you like. Want to change a character's name or adjust some of the details? Go for it. This is your unique version after all. When you're satisfied with your final masterpiece, share it with us in the comments below. I'd love to see what you've come up with. And when everything looks perfect, it's time to take it to the next level. Click Extract Roles and watch as the AI helps you pick the perfect visual characters to match your story. Once you've confirmed your characters, you'll get to choose a visual style for each one, whether that's sketch, cartoon, or something else entirely. You can pick from a wide range of styles, from classic to official, or anything in between. It's all about making your version stand out and feel completely unique. Now click the button to proceed to the third step, where you'll choose the visual images for each character. In this step, the AI generates a character image for you, and you even have the option to edit the character by specifying details such as skin tone, hairstyle. Here's the cool part. You'll get 4 different visual styles for each character. This means you can pick the one that best fits your vision. It's the perfect way to make sure your characters not only look amazing, but also stay consistent throughout your story. It's all about making your book look as polished and stunning as the story you've created. Seriously, ReadKidz is a game changer. It saved me so much time and money when creating characters. I didn't need any extra tools to make character visuals. They were all right there, and they turned out perfect. What do you think? Have you tried creating your own characters yet? Drop a comment below and let me know. Once you're happy with the visuals, ReadKidz will create a storyboard for you, including front and back pages. You can easily edit the text or delete pages if needed. When everything looks great, just hit the next button to start creating images and scene descriptions for each page. It's super easy. All right, now that you've created your story with characters, text, narration, it's time to see everything come together. When you're ready, just click Preview to check out how the full storybook looks, text and images all in one place. Wait, it doesn't stop there. You can further edit scene prompts, reposition the text, and adjust the font styles and colors to match your vision. Want to see how it's coming together? Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to hit Export. From here, you can download your book in the format you want, all ready to be published. Imagine holding your completed book in your hands or sharing it with the world to start earning money. How exciting is that? But hey, if you're thinking about turning your book into a video, I've got something cool for you. You can pick from a bunch of voiceovers with that warm storyteller vibe to really bring your story to life. You can even add some background music, maybe a soft guitar or piano to set the right mood. And if you want to make it even more personal, you can upload your own images or add custom text. Pretty awesome, right? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Bravest friendship in the jungle. In a jungle full of life, Tero the tiger wandered alone. He was strong and powerful, yet he felt lonely because others feared him.
It's super easy to upload to YouTube or share with your audience. Simple and fun. You might be curious about pricing plans that how much ReadKidz cost. The free plan gives you a limited number of credits, which is perfect for testing things out. But if you're serious about creating more content, the paid plans, Starter, Standard, Pro, unlock unlimited stories, better image quality, advanced editing tools, and more, like narration and music with no watermarks. And here's the thing. Just one viral story or published book could easily pay for your subscription. Whether you're a parent creating personalized bedtime stories, a teacher designing educational content, or a creator dreaming of selling children's books online, ReadKidz gives you everything you need to make it happen. And the best part? You don't need to be a writer, illustrator, or tech expert. All you need is a story idea and just a few minutes to bring it to life. So what are you waiting for? If you've got a story idea, now's the perfect time to turn it into something amazing with ReadKidz. Click the link in the description below to sign up and start crafting your own magical storybook today, whether you are parents or teachers. And if you want to save both time and money, make sure to watch my video in which I made a 30-minute video with just one prompt using Magic Light. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.